Alright, so you have to put these together. So I have this filter, so I bought it on Amazon, and here you have to know where is the in, where is the out. So basically I'm going to put this like this. So where you have the gauge is the in, here is the out, and then there is a chemical that you have to put inside. I don't remember the name now, but so the way it will absorb all the humidity and everything. Also, sometimes when you're cleaning computers, or maybe you're using the plasma cutter or anything like that, you're going to get kind of dirt, you know, or things like that. So it's better to have the filter like this. So when you buy it online, so basically it comes with these adapters. They come, both ends are kind of the same. So I went to Home Depot and I bought like 2 or 3 different adapters in order to make it work, and it was a disaster. So too long. So I went to Amazon and I bought this. It's from 1/2 inch to 1/4. So I installed this one. So now I'm going to show you how you can install this one. So that way you can do the same, and you don't have to do you don't have to install so many adapters. So here now I'm going to remove this one. And that's it. I don't know why it doesn't come with the right adapter, you know, with all these. I have here a bunch of adapters, so that way you can use whatever you want. So basically, when you install it, I had to buy these adapters. Now I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to use the blue monster here, the pipe thread sealer. Or sealant, yeah. So it works very well. So that way you don't have to use the plumber's tape. So now, as you can see, this is the one that came from factory. This is a disaster, as you can see. You're going to need a bunch of adapters. So basically, you're going to need this. And as you can see here, all you need is the blue monster. Put some here. If you use gloves, it will be better. So that way you don't get dirty. Because this chemical is kind of difficult to remove from your hands, so if you can do that, the better. So put in abundance, plentiful, and if you want, you can use after you do this. Some people, you wants to be 100% sure that you're not going to have leaks. Usually with this is enough, but if you want, after this, you can put the plumber's tape on top of this, and that should do the job as well. So here, we're going to adjust it. So if you want to buy this on Amazon, I'll try to leave in the video description the link. Otherwise, is like I said before, half an inch to 1/4, and that's it. So all right. So once you have this, all you have to do, put a little bit more here. Make sure that it doesn't go inside, so that way you don't more junk inside of the filter. So you put it like this, and then screw it in, and that's it. So this will be shorter than before, and it will work. So these are made of aluminum. I like them a lot. So very, very light, and looks cool as well. So don't over tight it, otherwise you may break the piece. And that's it. So now all we have to do is connect the air hose here and the other here, and that's it. And also I bought this, as you can see, so the way I can hook it there. So I will need an adapter for this. So this will go to the compressor, and we do more of the same thing as before. Plenty of this. Also, if you don't have a good connector here, you're going to have leaks. So basically this end goes to the compressor, and here on the other side, I'm going to hook up this one. We should be good with this. There you go. Now we have plenty of this. Put it back like that, and hopefully I'm going to test it. We should be good like this. Also, if you buy everything online, it will be cheaper than buying in Home Depot. But Home Depot, same thing, it was too long, the patch cord, this hose, and that's it. So as you can see, put it like that, and very easy. I didn't have to do much pressure. So now I have to do the same thing with the new one, and in the compressor, and we should be good. All right, all you have to do is put the silica that comes in these bags, and I think it goes only here. As far as I can tell, there is no instructions or anything like that. So basically here, I think it's only to filter the pollution, the dust, on everything else. And here I'm going to make a stand like that. And as you can see, here you have the silica. So basically, here you will see the color. So when it's blue, it's good like that. And when it turns red, you have to put it in a tray, put it in the oven, low temperature, and when it becomes blue once again, you can reuse it, and that's it. So in theory, that is how you use it. I don't have instruction for this, so that is what I'm thinking about this. Although, as usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything like that, just let me know and I'll ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time.